Bakit tangerine? Kasi from what I've been, seeing sa page mo, it's all tangerines. Pero you mentioned earlier that your dream morph, your dream gecko was a snow Diablo Blanco, all white and stuff. But how did you end up with beautiful green, orange tangerines and stuff, I think you're the tangerine king here in the Philippines.
Wow!
For me,
Far.
For me, For
Lakas
me,
ko naman sa'yo, bro.
Pink gecko.
Sabi ko din dati, pang mahina naman tong leopard gecko. Gusto ko maangas. Gusto ko bearded dragon. Tusok-tusok. Pang lalaki. Ganyan. Pero eventually, dito rin tayo napadpad. Tapos tangerines naman. Ba't ko gusto ng orange? Gusto ko yung maangas, black and white, siga. Pero for example, na if yung Snow Diablo Blanco, kung i-compare mo sa tangerine, mas maraming progression pagdating sa tangerine. Marami siyang shades and progression. May dark, may light, may intensities ng tangerine.